So quickly, I'll go over a couple of the a couple of common angles that I use on decks to add stiffness, to add tightness, right? So one of them is just a simple A21 Simpson strong tie. This is like a little 1.5 by 1 inch simple 90-degree angle that you can just almost plug in anywhere. This is probably my favorite brace for decks because it's tiny and I can hide it virtually anywhere. I can hide this on a deck system, and while it doesn't look like much, it adds tons of stability to things like rail systems, connecting rail systems to posts. It's really great. This is just a simple staircase tread, and again, it's a 90-degree angle. It's just a right angle, you see there. And what we do with this is we'll stick this underneath of steps. Typically steps that are over 6 foot tall. We'll bring this in and we'll place this on the riser and connect it to the bottom of the step. And what that does is it creates a situation where that step will have an extra ledge to sit on if it pops out of that riser. And you can really save somebody with one of these if you use them. I don't know if you guys have ever seen someone fall through a pair of deck steps, but this can save somebody significant injury. I don't know if I have any more A23. I do. So here's an A23. It's just a little bit wider. So if I'm working with a wide post that has a lot of room and it looks odd for me to stick this little one on there, I'll just switch over to this A23 and I'll use it. It's just a bit bigger, as you can see. Very helpful, very strong. Creates a lot of stability and a lot of strength for structures. Commonly, I'll keep just simple straps on me. And a lot of times I'll use this to connect, let's say there's two boards in a rail system that butt up to each other, but they're not really connected well and it looks like that they're going to break apart. I can tie these together, and that's simply what this is just a tie. I can tie any two pieces of building material together with this, whether it be two pieces of wood, a piece of wood and a piece of composite, but just a simple tie. What else do we have? Oh, straps, like I showed you guys in the video. This is a Simpson strong tie, what we call an A12. And you know, deck builders, somebody that's building decks and stuff like that, they probably have a different use for this. But what I use this for is to bend around things and strap and tighten them down, right? Just like I kind of showed you guys with that privacy fence. They have these that are very long, they have these that are very short, different size gauge thickness, and they're very beneficial when you're restoring a deck system. And there's tons of other ones that you guys can incorporate. Into your deck system or into your structure system to add stability and add strength. I sell a deck tightening kit at lowlanddecksupply.com if you want to check that out. But that's not what this video is about. It's more to just give you the information to help you if you're restoring or refinishing a deck.